Hello, and today we will be learning the parts of an Arduino Uno, and we'll be making our first project using Arduino Uno or the hello words of the Arduino Uno. That's the blinking LED. So first we will go to the parts of the Arduino Uno. These are the parts of the Arduino Uno. There's a reset switch. By this reset switch, we can reset the microcontroller of the Arduino Uno. USB connector. We can transfer data from our computer to the Arduino Uno using this USB connector. USB interface. We can connect the USB connector to the USB interface chip, and then the USB interface chip will send the data to the microcontroller. Crystal oscillator. In this crystal oscillator, there's a crystal that oscillates when we apply electricity to it. It appears like the heartbeat for our Arduino Uno. Voltage regulator. It regulates the voltage. Power port. We can supply power through this port for Arduino Uno. And analog input pins. Using these pins, we can take precise inputs from a sensor. Microcontrollers of Arduino Uno are from a company called Atmega, and the microcontroller is the brain of our Arduino Uno. TXRX LEDs. TXRX LEDs are the LEDs which light up when we connect the TX and RX pins to something. The digital pins, TX and RX pins are 1 and 0, and they both are also digital pins. There are total 13 digital pins in our Arduino Uno. For power supply, here is the power supply. We can supply power to our output or input. Here are 3 grounds, first here, second here, and third here. Then one 5 volts output, this, and one 3.3 volts output is this. This was the parts of the Arduino Uno. Next, we will see the circuit for our blinking LED. We will need an LED, a breadboard, a resistor, a Arduino Uno, and a cable to connect the Arduino Uno with the laptop or computer. In every LED, there are two pins or legs. The small leg is called cathode, and the long leg is called anode. So we will connect a resistor's first terminal to the long leg of the LED or anode, and the resistor's second end we will connect to a wire going to the Arduino Uno's digital pin number 13, and the LED's cathode wire will go to an GND. You can put the wire in this GND, or this GND, it doesn't matter, but it should be an GNT. Okay, so circuit will be done. Then we will go for Arduino IDE. I will tell you how to download Arduino IDE. So first we will go to Arduino IDE, download, and then click this link. I will provide the link in the description, and then select the type you want to install. So download the Arduino IDE according to the operating system. I am working on Windows and I want a MSN installer. Then click just download, then just download. It will start downloading. After downloading, it will show like this. Then click run. It will take a while to Windows for configuring the Arduino IDE. I have downloaded the Arduino IDE earlier before, so I will be not downloading it. You can download it. It's easier than you have thought. Then we will open Arduino IDE. It will take a moment to do. Focus. Okay, it's taking a moment. So it will open like this, and as all the time it take a moment. Then we will write the code. Cause first we will add a variable. Cost in LED pin is equal 13. We have connected the LEDs and made digital pin 13, so we will type in this variable 13. Then void setter and here we will type the mode command to define the mode of pin, the LED pin, comma output. It is an output device, that's why we type output. Then void command. We will use this command to give the LED commands to on and off. First we will type the key and then high or low based on the command you want to give the LED. So we want first to give the LED and high command, so it will on, and then a delay or the delay contains milliseconds, so 1000 milliseconds is equal to 1 second, and then we will copy this code and paste it here and just change it to low. This will loop foreverly until you unplug the Arduino Uno and reset the microcontroller. Now we will connect it. Connect the Arduino Uno with the PC and upload the code. It is compiling. Now it's opening. Now see. The LED is blinking on and off. And our first project is done. And now we will go to here. I will close this. And thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like and comment, and please subscribe our channel. Meet you again in the next video. Bye.